Is your business running you, or are you running your business? If you're constantly putting out fires and feeling like you're just spinning your wheels, it's time for a change.
Oh, by the way, thanks to HL Pro Tools for sponsoring this video. We will get back later.
Most business owners start with a dream of freedom and impact. But somewhere along the way, the systems break down, the leads dry up, and the chaos takes over. You're spending hours on manual tasks that could be automated. You're losing potential customers because your follow-up is inconsistent, and you're exhausted. It doesn't have to be this way. Imagine a business that works for you even when you're not working. A business that scales predictably and profitably. That's exactly why we created JourneyBuilder. It's the ultimate all-in-one platform designed to help you automate your marketing, streamline your operations, and grow your revenue.
Hey, wanted to take a quick second to talk about my friends over at HL Pro Tools. They are the leader in providing white labeled support for high-level agencies. Even if you are just you bought a high-level account and you're like, I need somebody to help me get started and build out this automation or this workflow. Yeah, great team. Matt and his entire team are just incredible at what they do. And thankfully, they're sponsoring this video that you're watching. So I'm going to send you back over to the video right now, but I'm going to put the link if you want to check out HL Pro Tools, and I strongly suggest you do. Link will be in the comments, but now back to the video.
With JourneyBuilder, you can capture more leads with high-converting landing pages, nurture them with automated email and SMS sequences, and close more deals with our integrated CRM. Stop letting your business run you. Take back your time, your freedom, and your passion. Join the hundreds of business owners who have transformed their lives with JourneyBuilder. Ready to build the business of your dreams? Click the link below to schedule your free demo today and see how JourneyBuilder can change everything for you.